If you've been scrolling online and suddenly seeing a miracle supplement that promises to melt belly fat, crush stress, balance your cortisol, and completely reset your metabolism, then you've probably come across Soluma Rhodiola Rosea, and the marketing behind it sounds almost too perfect to ignore. But once you start digging a little deeper, things don't stay that clean. Soluma Rhodiola Rosea is built around a real ingredient called Rhodiola Rosea, which is traditionally known for helping the body adapt to stress, improve mood, and support energy levels. But the problem begins when the ads take that basic herb and stretch it into extreme claims like rapid fat burning, hormonal cortisol balancing, and dramatic body transformation results that are not strongly supported by scientific research. While rhodiola itself has some studies suggesting mild benefits for fatigue and stress resistance, there is no solid clinical evidence proving that a single supplement like this can specifically target belly fat or reprogram metabolism the way it is advertised. Another concern is the way the product is presented online, including the use of a supposed expert, Dr. Rachel Moore, who cannot be independently verified, along with polished eye-style visuals, overly perfect before and after stories, and testimonials that feel scripted rather than real user experiences. On top of that, claims like 100,000 plus transformations and urgent countdown discounts are classic high-pressure marketing tactics, designed to push quick decisions rather than informed choices. There are also reports suggesting the checkout process may include subscription-style billing or hidden auto-enrollment, which is something buyers often overlook in the excitement of trying a trending product. When you put all of this together, Soluma Rhodiola Rosea sits in a gray zone. It contains a legitimate herbal ingredient, but the surrounding marketing, exaggerated promises, and unclear transparency raise important questions. So instead of labeling it as purely good or bad, the smarter approach is to treat it cautiously, understand what the ingredient can realistically do, and avoid expecting the extreme results shown in the ads, because in the end, most of the hype seems to come more from marketing strategy than from strong scientific backing.